If your toaster looks like this, find out how I'm going to remove all the crumbs and remove all the brown staining off your toaster into this brand new looking, almost new toaster. And also find out how I remove the lime scale and the buildup inside this kettle and see how I turn it into an almost brand new looking, free from lime scale kettle. Join me today. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for clicking this video. As you can see, we're going to be dealing with the kettle and the toaster, but firstly I'm going to start with the kettle. It's going to take a bit of time because it's got quite a lot of lime scale and build up in there. So what we're going to do, we are going to make sure everything is off the sockets and it's empty. We're going to get white vinegar and we are going to pour, I'm going to say like until it covers the main base of the lime scale buildup. And I'm going to pour about the same amount roughly of water, bring that to boil, and repeat the process until you need as many times as you need to, basically. As you can see, mine has now boiled, and you can see it's already starting to work. It's already discoloring, so I'm going to repeat the process again. It's not necessary to add more vinegar or take out, but unless you have to, unless you want to the toaster. So make sure everything's plugged off the sockets and turned off. We're gonna basically focus on removing all the crumbs and the discoloration there and make it silver again, because that's really important. And we're also going to take the tray out, because if you notice the crumbs, they're actually a fire hazard. So if you don't empty that frequently, this can be a fire hazard. So empty those quite frequently if you can. I'm going to shake this into the bin because nobody wants crumbs everywhere. Okay, so now that I've shaken off as much as I possibly can, we're going to focus on removing, like I said, the discoloration and the crumbs that are around. I'm going to use the Astonish oven and cookware cleaner just to remove the discoloration. This is the first time I'm actually using this. I normally go for a cream cleaner or like the Pink Stuff cream cleaner. The paste is my favorite, but I'm going to try this. So I'm also going to use my Pink Stuff brush, but you can use a cleaning toothbrush, but I currently don't have one, so I've got the Pink Stuff scrubber. Most of the crumbs have officially come off, so I'm so happy about that. We're actually making progress. So I'm going to get the a cloth and I'm just going to wipe. As you can see, I love the consistency, I love the thickness of it, and I'm just going to spread it across, and you can actually start seeing that it's already removing most of the discoloration, which I'm really pleased about. And it's working so well. I actually don't have to put much effort. As you can see, it's already coming off on. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to repeat the whole process and try and get as much of it off as I possibly can. If you're enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing for more content on how to clean things around your home. And I do my best to get every single thing that I can, or things I can think of. So if you have any requests, please put them down below and I'll do my best to get them done for you. And I've also noticed I have some new friends, new subscribers to the channel. Welcome everyone. On this channel you'll find cleaning motivation, tips on how to clean around your home, and loads of motivation for tasks that you probably avoid cleaning. So I give you the motivation and the how-to tips to get them done. So join me every Tuesday and Friday where you find videos, and if, like I said, there's nothing, you can't find what you're looking for, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll do my best to get it done for you. And look at that, it's literally looking a lot better than what it did. I can actually see that it's silver, the discoloration is literally almost gone, and yeah, look at that. And well done to the Astonish. I didn't really think it was going to work so well, but I'm really glad that I tried it out. I hope you don't mind the laughing baby in the background, but yeah, so this is what it looks like now. I'm really pleased with that. I don't tend to really want to go into there because I have not found a toothbrush small enough to fit in there, but I highly recommend not trying because there's so many little electricals in there that you could damage. So I highly recommend not doing it unless you know exactly what you're doing to remove any crumbs or any, most of the discoloration inside there. But yeah, so now back to our kettle. I've been repeating the process like I said, but now I'm going to focus on the outside. I'm going to use fairy washing up liquid. Also, please let me know in the comment section below what you use to descale your kettle and how long do you descale your kettle for, how often you do it. And now we're also going to do the same for the toaster because again, it does collect a bit of dust and yeah. So like I said, I don't really like to go inside to remove any of the discoloration inside the toaster because I don't really want to damage any of the electricals in there. I know some people have like a really small toothbrush or like a little brush that they use, but I don't want to risk it and I don't really want to damage this toaster, so I'm not really showing that today. But if I do get the courage, I'll do it for you guys another day. But yeah, again, I'm just wiping off now the washing up liquid using a cloth which is, you know, dry and yeah, hopefully it will look almost brand new and sparkling again, which is what of course we are all looking for, to make our appliances look almost as brand new as possible. So with the kettle, make sure that you empty after you've done and you're happy with the results. Please empty it and then boil just water twice in the kettle. So you just want to boil fresh water without white vinegar so that, you know, you're happy and you know that the lime scales come off, the discoloration, and you have also removed the white vinegar because you don't want to drink that. So you repeat that twice of just boiling water on its own, and that's it. So back to the toaster, just make sure that you, like I said, remove all the crumbs as often as you possibly can because the crumbs are a fire hazard. And you can wash this. I'm not sure if you can put it in the dishwasher, but just to be safe, I prefer to hand wash everything with your dishwashing liquid and water. Dry it and put it back. So if you are happy with the result of the toaster and how the toaster turned out, please share this video with your friends and please subscribe to the channel because I've done a good job. If you 100% agree, please subscribe to the channel. And this is what, again, our kettle looks like. It's looking a lot better than what it did at the start. So I probably will repeat this process maybe twice in the month and have your kettle looking almost brand new. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. You have a lovely day. Bye.